Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on pet supplies with Petco, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Petco website or app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access exclusive deals. Browse the deals section for current discounts. Take note of special sales and weekly promotions. Consider signing up for Petco's email newsletter for updates. Check the clearance section for additional savings. Look for loyalty programs or rewards memberships. Enroll in the Petco Pals Rewards program to earn points on purchases. Use your accumulated points to get discounts on future orders. Search for coupons online that can be redeemed at Petco. Compare prices between products to find the best value. Follow Petco on social media for flash sales and giveaways. Utilize the price match policy if you find a better deal elsewhere. Remember to stock up on essentials during sales events. Plan purchases around major sale holidays for maximum savings. Take advantage of in-store promotions if you're shopping offline. Inquire about bulk purchase discounts for frequently used items. Keep your pet's vaccination or health records handy for potential discounts. Always review your cart before checkout to ensure you're getting the best deal. By following these steps, you can effectively save on pet supplies with Petco. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.